would be fun while we're all stuck at home to show you a routine with the Gua Sha tool. So I'm sure you've already seen jade rollers all over the internet for a few years now. I think the Gua Sha technique is way more effective. The tools you can find on Amazon really easily in all kinds of beautiful crystal. This is mine. It's most important that you get one with a curved edge here, and then this sort of notched double area here. I don't ever actually use this bottom part, and I only sometimes use this around the eye area, but really it's these two edges that are the most important. So with Gua Sha, you want to make sure your face is really lubed up. I use a facial oil. You could use a serum or a really heavy moisturizer. You don't want the tool to drag across your skin at all. You want it to be really oily. And also the neck. And actually the neck is one of the most important parts to include when doing this. If you don't want to do the whole routine every day, it would be way more beneficial to do only your neck as opposed to just your face. Because what we're really doing with this tool is we are encouraging lymphatic drainage, the drainage of any toxins, fluids, things that encourage puffiness. But the channels that this operates on are really in the neck. So if you want to encourage draining your face, you got to make sure that your neck channels are clear. I kind of always oil up the tool too, why not? So starting with the neck, I start in the middle, and that's what you need the notched edge for, because you don't want to be dragging anything over your esophagus. You do the notched edge over that part. So you kind of start around your collarbone, sweep up to the chin. You can hold it overhand or underhand, whatever is more comfortable. And you do these movements 3 to 5 times each. For technique, you want to keep the edge almost flat against your skin and following the curve. You're not trying to actually like scrape with the pointy, sharpest edge of this. You're using the majority of the tool. So you go up the sides of the neck to behind the ear, and then you go one more time from the collarbone up to the jawbone underneath. And then in the back, you use that notched edge again over the spine. And then I like to add an extra drain between the neck and the face. So using this curved notched edge again right along the jaw and holding your skin in place with a few fingers on your chin. You're pressing all the stuff you just pushed up to your jawline. You're pressing it over to the ear. And then to drain, you sweep down from the ear to just below the collarbone. So if you only have a few minutes and you don't want to do the full routine, I'd recommend doing that neck routine on both sides. If you want to do more, we go on to the rest of the face. So again, it's supporting the skin so that you're not dragging anything. And then switch to the flatter edge with a little bit of a curve to go up further along the lower jaw. And I like to support my skin at the edge of the mouth. So you really don't want to be holding the tool vertical or using the actual edge of it. You really have the tool pressed flat against your skin using the inner edge to press and lift. And you're sweeping up always to the edge of your hairline, combating gravity. And we're going to move up to the cheekbone. Just really fits in right in the cheekbone here. And I support my skin by pressing on the outside of the nose. You want there to be enough oil on your face that it really glides that you're not tugging or pulling the skin, and it moves really easily over your skin. And then when it's time to go to the under eye, you want to be really delicate, really careful always with the under eye area. And I just use sort of this top curved part. And really pull the skin up here, up, especially when you're going past the eye and up through the crow's feet area. You want to use some pressure on most of your face. You're not trying to push super hard and drag, and especially under the eye, you want to go a little bit lighter too. So you use that notched part again over the brow area because it just fits really perfectly in there. You don't want to be smashing your eyeball. You want to get right over that area. Support with your fingers in the middle. So you're following the curve of the brow bone and then lifting up and out to the hairline. So next we're going to work on the brow and forehead, and you want to just lightly support your skin by holding gently the upper eyelid. And I am scraping from the brow bone straight up. Be real gentle with your eye area. Let the tool curve naturally over your brow bone and forehead. You can add a few extra right up the middle, going a little lower over the frown line area. So I think you can see already that there is a difference between this side and this side. This brow is a little higher. And once you're done with one side, you want to drain all the toxins and fluid that may have been gathered here in the hairline now. So starting with the kind of the corner at the top of the hairline, you just bring that down to just below the ear 3 to 5 times. And then you bring it down from the ear to the drainage point in the lower collarbone. And that's it.